Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play time on keyboard. First, let's understand that playing in time means aligning your notes precisely with the beat of the music. This skill is absolutely crucial for any musician, whether you're playing solo or with a band. We'll cover foundational concepts and practical exercises to help you develop a strong internal clock and make your keyboard playing sound incredibly tight and professional. Get ready to transform your rhythmic accuracy. Let's dive into the basics of rhythm and tempo. Rhythm refers to the pattern of sounds and silences, while tempo is the speed of the music, often measured in beats per minute. A metronome is your best friend here. Start at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it. Counting aloud, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, helps solidify your understanding of note durations and rests. This foundational work is essential for building solid timing. Now, let's apply these concepts to your keyboard playing. Subdividing the beat means feeling the smaller pulses within each main beat, like 2/8 notes per quarter note. Practice your scales and arpeggios slowly with a metronome, ensuring every note is perfectly in time. Pay close attention to your finger articulation. A crisp, consistent attack helps define each note's start. Try playing a simple melody at various tempos, always striving for rhythmic accuracy. Consistent practice is key to mastering timing. Record your playing sessions and listen back critically. You'll often hear subtle timing issues you missed while playing. Playing along with backing tracks or other musicians is invaluable for developing your ensemble skills. Finally, cultivate your internal pulse by tapping out rhythms or walking to a beat, even when you're away from the keyboard. With dedication, your timing will become second nature, enhancing every piece you play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.